My portfolio. Coming to you live from my bedroom and my camera. This is the cover page. Ooh, unique, is it not? There's the sleeve for my DVD when I'm finished with it. And the first page which says Folio. Aw, there's Kimberly. And my personal statement, I've worked for the richest mouse in the world. Then my table of contents, which, if I might say so, is extremely creative. Instead of using page numbers, it simply uses the bolded page separators. Contents: who I am. Informed, opinionated, curious, innovative, creative, passionate. Each section divider explains what kind of samples it has underneath it. Let's continue. First section divider, informed. And then there is a new sample. Oh, there is another new sample. There is also a corrected error on this page. Can you tell? It's right there. Kind of blurry though, so I doubt you can tell. But it's right there. Next section, opinionated. Here's the lovely photo that ran with my new moon story, of which I wrote the caption, and then the new moon story, as well as my recent Valentine's Day editorial. Next section, curious, with 2 feature story samples, one of which I will probably replace once I get the death and dying story written and complete. Next session, innovated, which includes my mock marketing campaign for the Humane Society. The first page includes a Pause for a Cause advertisement that I myself designed and wrote. The second page includes a press release. The third page, which is yet to be completed, will include screenshots from the website and Facebook page that I will design currently for the campaign that I didn't design in the first place, but think it would be a good idea to have. Next section, creative, which also has a blank page, but will soon feature the premiere and the best design layouts from my scrapbooking years, once I get pictures printed and cut out. Then it's got part of the story that I was going to enter in that contest that you all read about the girl in the mirror. Yes, yes. As an example of my ability to write fiction. Next section, and the final section, passionate. Passionate pink, which is also blank, but will feature photographs once I have them edited and printed and cut and Then, the end, fiend. And in the back cover, which there's a lovely folder for, or folder sleeve, as you can see, is where my resume will go, and or business card, and or cover letter. The end. Please get back to me in ample time before my interview, explaining to me how great you think my portfolio is, and or what I might need to change. Thanks, and have a good night. Signing off, Kim.